I'm just excited to be here with you. I love you very much, and I'm really excited to see where this brings us.
We don't say it much, but I love you, and I'm so excited to take your last name and be a part of you forever.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Brock, you may kiss your bride.
I love you both so much. Heather, you are one of my best friends and who I call a sister.
I'm excited for you guys. You guys are perfect for each other.